Okay, you people also enter through Zoom, because the thing is इस पे और उस पे बहुत okay. So we are starting with geometry. Online people, am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Great. But, we'll be starting, we'll not do the basics of geometry right now, but we'll be starting with mensuration, which is the most important thing as far as all your examinations are concerned. So if you get questions on geometry, the main questions will be on mensurations. Parth. Parth, Sahil. Session, so you are looking into that? Okay, I'm so sorry. Yeah. When we say about mensurations, it is all about finding out, working out with the area, surface areas, volume. So these are the things which you will have to. Now let's start with the basic figures first. And it's a request, people, please don't join late. It becomes really difficult to admit you people into the class. Okay, so we'll start with this is a basic figure. We'll start with 2D figures first. So which is the basic 2D figure? Tell me.
Line.
Yes, it's a basic 2D figure. Square, circle, rectangle, parallelogram, rhombus. So all the properties of all will be just working with the measurements. Also help you with some tricks how to remember those formulas. So every time, no need of marking up the formulas, but you can also manage it by using some tricks. Okay, now the first thing with which we will start work, just load down the volume. Zero.
Ma'am, your voice
The
is
first thing with which
breaking.
मैम आवाज बहुत कट रहा है
क्या using a mobile hotspot. साहिल एक काम करो, प्रियंका को बुलाओ. ओके अभी आ रहा है क्या थोड़ा? हेलो, मेरा वॉइस ब्रेक हो रहा है. आपका तो हो रहा है. Okay, just hold on for a moment. I'll try to switch the network. अभी आ रहा है क्या आवाज?
Yes, ma'am.
आ रहा है मैम.
नहीं, अनम्यूटेड हूँ मैं. अभी लैग है. Okay, am I audible now?
Yes, ma'am.
Online people, is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम
Okay, so let's start working. The first figure will take it like square. Okay, before the formulas of different figures, Sahil will be first finding out what is the difference between area and perimeter. When I ask you to paint a wall, okay, painting a wall is what your area of that wall, correct? But if I ask you to just fence a garden means what? Are you in the complete garden or only on the boundaries? So you will be working with the boundaries. So the biggest difference between area and the perimeter is area, what you do, you take the complete, and perimeter is just you're working with the boundaries. So if at all I'm asking you to find out perimeter, actually we are not finding out the length of the boundary. If it is a circle, then what is this perimeter called as? Circumference. Perfect. If it is a square, then we'll be taking into consideration what all things, all four sides of that particular ground, right? Again, all four sides. Now if I give you any abstract figure or a figure like say like octagon is there, you have to fence that ground and it is an octagon, and I ask you to find out the perimeter of this octagon. How will you find out the perimeter of this octagon? Octagon means 8 sides, and if it is a perfect octagon in the sense what, all sides are equal, that means what you will do in just add up all the sides. Now what would be the unit over here? Will it be square unit or will be only units? Only units. When you are working with length, you are working with only one dimension. When you are working with area, you are working with how many dimensions? Two dimensions. इसलिए उसको बोलते हैं ना 2D figure. But if you are working, let's say, with a cube or a cuboid or a cone, देन इट इज अ 3D फिगर, और वहां पे यूनिट क्या बन जाता है आपका, क्यूबिक मीटर, सेंटीमीटर, वॉट एवर इट इज, राइट? So always remember, length, perimeter, it will be only units, area it will be square units, and सरफेस एरिया, टोटल सरफेस एरिया, कर्व सरफेस एरिया निकाल रहा है, एरिया
मैम
ही निकाल
आपका
रहे
आवाज
हो,
बहुत
वहां
ही
पे
लैग हो रहा है।
लैग हो रहा है, जस्ट होल्ड ऑन ना। अब मैं can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello?
Yes,
We
ma'am.
can hear you, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So we were talking about the basic 2D figures and 3D figures. The first thing we'll start with, the first diagram that we will take right now is square. Okay, so what is area of a square? Do you guys remember what is area of a
Side
square?
square.
Side square.
Side square. Okay, I will just jot down all the, just a sec.
Ma'am, shall we also note it down with you or no?
Yeah, you can also, it is completely your choice, dear. As it is, you'll have it in the book. Just a sec, people. Sorry? Sorry? I don't know. Gargi, you are Gargi? Okay, so the first formula that we are going to work with right now is a square. Square का अगर area अगर आप बात करते हो, what is area of a square? You said it is side square. What is the perimeter? What would be the perimeter of the square? Perimeter क्या है?
Four
Four
into
side.
side.
Four
Into side.
Into side. We are just working with the boundaries. The second figure. Rectangle. What is area of a rectangle?
Length into breadth.
Length into breadth. And what will be the perimeter? There are, if you just talk about the boundary of a rectangle, you have length and you have breadth. How many times length and how many times breadth?
Two times.
So it will be 2L plus 2B. let's say we are working with next figure, which is a triangle. Now there are how many types of formula that you people know for triangle?
Half into base into height.
Half into base into height. When will we'll use this formula, half into base into height? जब आपका triangle होगा right angle triangle, correct? Yes or no? Okay. Always remember, angle right angle कब रहेगा? जब base है आपके पास, height है तो automatically. Now if I give you a triangle something, क्या हो रहा है ये? If I give you triangle something like this, okay, एकदम perfect triangle, perfect है, okay. If I give you this length is 10. I tell you this is 90 degree, okay, and the base is given to you as 21. And I ask you to find out the area of this triangle. Can we find out area of this triangle? Find out area of this triangle with the formula which we have written right now, half into base into height.
Yes.
We can, we want the height. अगर आपके पास ऐसा कोई ट्रायंगल है तो उसका हाइट ये है, दिस इज ऑल्सो 10 एंड दिस इज 21. सो इट हार्डली मैटर्स. आपको अगर हाइट पता चल गया तो आप ये वाला फॉर्मूला यूज कर सकते हो. डन. ओके. एनी अदर फॉर्मूला दैट यू पीपल नो? सॉरी, A B sin theta. Have you ever heard about this formula before? Half AB sin theta है ना, हाफ इंटू बेस इंटू हाइट, ये यही से डिराइव हुआ है. हाफ इंटू ए बी इंटू साइन थीटा. नाउ आई डोंट नो हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू रिमेंबर साइन थीटा मतलब क्या होता है ट्रिग्नोमेट्री में. लेट्स से वी आर वर्किंग विथ अ ट्रायंगल. ये ट्रायंगल दिया हम लोगों को. ओके, इट्स नॉट अ राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल, अज्यूम करो. ओके, आपको ए पता है, आपको बी पता है, एंड आपको ये थीटा का वैल्यू दिया हुआ है. लेट्स से दिस एंगल इज 30 डिग्री and they are asking you to find out area of this triangle. How you will find out area of this triangle? Yeah, we have to first work with the sine theta. Sine theta is what? Sine theta is equal to opposite upon hypotenuse, right? What is cos theta? Adjacent. It is adjacent upon hypotenuse. What is tan theta? Tan theta is either sin theta upon cos theta, or else it is opposite upon adjacent. So I'll just write over here, it is opposite upon adjacent. Okay. Now, what is inverse of sin theta? 1 upon sin theta क्या होता है?
cosec theta,
Cosec theta. And 1 upon cos theta क्या होता है? Sec theta.
sec theta,
tan थीटा, cot थीटा. तो ये जितने भी आपके फ्रैक्शंस लिखे ये सारे क्या हो जाएंगे? इन्वर्ट हो जाएंगे एज इट इज. अभी तक हम लोग किस पे कन्फाइंड है? जस्ट विद द साइन थीटा. हम लोग ट्रिग्नोमेट्री नहीं कर रहे. जस्ट विद दिस फॉर्मूला वी आर यूजिंग दिस ट्रिग्नोमेट्री कॉन्सेप्ट ओवर हियर. नाउ टेल मी पीपल, व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ साइन 90? 1. Sin 0, 0. What is sin 30? It is 1 upon 2. Sin 60, it is root 3 by 2. Perfect. And what is sin 45? It is 1 upon root 2. Perfect. Now just see, let's say if this is a right angle triangle we are talking about. Okay, this is your A, this is your B, and we know that this angle is nothing but 90 degree. Can I apply the formula over here? Half into AB sin theta. Can I do that? When I'm trying to do that, what is happening? Half into A क्या है हमारा? Height. अभी के लिए height है ये triangle में. B क्या है हमारा? Base. And what is sin 90? Sin 90 कितना रहेगा? अभी हम लोगों ने लिखा ना, sin 90 का वैल्यू कितना आया? 1 आया. ये वाला फॉर्मूला यहीं से डिराइव हो रहा है. समझ में आ रहा है आपको?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? From where did we get this formula? So it is not necessary always the angle should be 90 degree. If an angle is not 90 degree, not to worry, you can use this formula. Done? Okay. Any other formula for area of a triangle? Formula. If no angle is given to you, Okay, if I write it, you will get it. It was something like under 2 s minus a into s minus b into s minus c. What was this s over here?
Semi-perimeter.
Semi-perimeter. It was what? Semi-perimeter. Now, if at all there is a triangle with side A, B, C, what is perimeter of this triangle?
A plus B
A
plus C.
plus perimeter मतलब क्या? Boundary. Boundary मतलब क्या? A plus B plus C. Correct? Semi means what? Half. Semi मतलब क्या होता है? अब जब सेमी सर्कल बोलते हो तो क्या करते हो? सर्कल को हाफ करते हो ना? तो सेमी पेरीमीटर मतलब half of perimeter. So x over here is nothing but a plus b plus, and this formula is called as what? Heron's formula. ये है ना आप लोगों ने स्कूल में ये वाला फॉर्मूला. आई होप यू रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्मूला.
Yes, ma'am.
Formula for an equilateral triangle. Anyone? Equilateral triangle. Root 3 upon 4 a square. You can derive it using Heron's formula. We can do that derivation also. Why we are doing this derivation? Because मुझे सिर्फ आपको इतना बोला है कि ज़्यादा formulas मगअप मत करो. You can time पे फटाफट you can try to derive the formulas, okay, quickly. Now let's say अगर हम लोग Heron's formula use करते हैं, I am saying that it is an equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle का perimeter क्या रहेगा? What will be perimeter of an
3 into side.
3a? Can I write? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Perimeter. So what will be semi perimeter? 3 upon 2a, correct? Using the Heron's formula, what we will have? S into s minus a into s minus a into s minus a, because सारी sides equal है. So what we'll get over here? 3 upon 2a into, now s minus a, that means हमको करना क्या? What is s minus a? That will be 3 upon 2a minus a. क्या वैल्यू आएगा ये? इसको अगर सॉल्व करते हो तो क्या मिलेगा? 3 upon 2a minus a.
3 upon 2.
1 by 2a. Yes or no? Are you getting it? Yes. So it will be 1 by 2a. ये कितने बार आएगा? 3 times. ओके. अब क्या करें? ये रूट साइन को निकालना है. क्या क्या बाहर आएगा? क्विकली टेल मी. a कितने बार आ रहा है आपका? a raised to 4 है, तो स्क्वायर रूट के बाहर आएगा तो क्या रहेगा वो? a स्क्वायर. ओके. 2 2 2 2 डिनोमिनेटर में, दैट इज नथिंग बट 16. रूट ऑफ 16 इज 4. रूट 3 बाहर आएगा क्या? नहीं. So your answer is root 3 upon 4a square. It's nothing but the area of an equilateral triangle. Understood? You are perfect? Understood? And what will be perimeter of a triangle? We just saw it is a plus b plus c. So these are the formulas that you should know about area of a triangle. One was half into base into height. The other one was half into ab sin theta. The third one was Heron's formula. All, it is an equilateral triangle. It is root 3 upon 4a square. Understood this one, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Want to take? Can I erase the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
So now let's move on to the next diagram. Okay. Now let's say what is area of a parallelogram quickly. Anyone? Parallelogram होता क्या by the way? What do you mean by parallel? Opposite sides are parallel to each other, right? Okay. So area of a parallelogram is nothing but what? नहीं, diagonals नहीं आता है. Area of a parallelogram, it's nothing but base into height. Simple thing. What is a okay, if let's say this is a parallelogram, इसका base क्या रहेगा? ये नीचे का. Height मतलब ये रहेगा क्या? Let's say this is a parallelogram A, B, C, D. If I say CD is the base, height क्या है यहाँ पे? Is it AD? No. AD is not a height. Height हमेशा it has to be what? Perpendicular to the base. Understood this, everyone? Okay. What is the formula for area of a rhombus? नहीं रे. हाँ, diagonal आता है पिक्चर में. बताओ क्या है? half into what? Diagonal 1, diagonal, yes. Area of a rhombus is half into d1 into d2, where d1 d2 are the diagonals of the rhombus. Okay. Trapezium, what is a trapezium, by the way? This is called as what? Trapezium. इसकी properties क्या है? If you see, these two sides are parallel. AB is parallel to CD. Okay, and the AD and BC, these sides are oblique sides which will intersect at some point of time. अगर मैं इसको आगे extend कर लूँ ये वाले lines को, ये कहीं ना कहीं जाके intersect करेंगे. Okay, now what is the formula for trapezium? क्या पूछ रहे हो? स्क्वायर, सर्कल, ठीक है. ट्रेपेजियम कौन पूछता है? बोलो, आपको ही पता है, आपको भी नहीं पता है. यस, टेल मी, एनीवन ऑनलाइन who can tell me what is the area of a trapezium? Do you remember that? Hello?
No, ma'am.
Something with sum of parallel sides.
Yes, go ahead.
I don't remember.
You don't remember, so it is
Half into sum of parallel sides.
half into sum of the parallel sides, okay, into what? Height. That is the formula. Understood, everyone? Done? Okay, now the main figure we are left out with. Area of a circle, quickly. ये तो सबको पता है ना?
Pi r square.
Pi r square. Okay, what is the circumference of a circle? 2 pi r. What do you mean by circumference? The perimeter, right? Okay, now let's say if I draw something like this. ये region को आप क्या बोलते हो? It is called as sector. And area of this sector क्या रहेगा? See, simple logic लगाओ यहाँ पे. जब हम लोग सर्कल बोलते हैं तो सर्कल में पूरा थीटा कितना ले रहे हो आप? 360. और तभी आप एरिया क्या बोलते हो सर्कल का? पाई आर स्क्वायर. तो अगर मैंने ये इतना ही पोर्शन लिया है, सेक्टर लिया है, जिसका ये एंगल जो है दैट इज थीटा. सी, इफ एट ऑल इट वाज अ कंप्लीट सर्कल, आपने एरिया लिया पाई आर स्क्वायर. सो इफ एट ऑल आई एम टॉकिंग अबाउट ओनली दिस पार्ट वेयर एंगल इज थीटा, एरिया ऑफ सेक्टर वुड बी क्वेश्चन मार्क. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई कर सकते हो. अगर डिग्री 360 है तो एरिया पाई आर स्क्वायर है. अगर डिग्री थीटा है तो एरिया क्या है? आर यू गेटिंग इट? जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. क्या मिलता है आपको? आपका फॉर्मूला मिल जाएगा, थीटा अपॉन 360 into pi r square. Correct? Understood this? Okay, now if let's say if I am just talking about this arc, length of the arc, formula for length of the arc. Again you can work with, see, length of the arc is a part of a circumference. So can I say अगर पूरा एंगल कंसिडर कर रहे हैं 360, तो आप लेंथ कितना कंसिडर करते हो? पूरा सर्कमफरेंस, विच इज इक्वल टू 2 पाई आर. बट अगर आप सिर्फ थीटा कंसिडर कर रहे हो तो लेंथ कितना है? जस्ट क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई. व्हाट डू यू गेट? थीटा अपॉन 360 इंटू 2 पाई आर. ये 2 और 360 कैंसिल होके ये फॉर्मूला आपके बुक में होगा, थीटा अपॉन 180 इंटू पाई आर. है या नहीं? याद है गार्गी? देर sorry, but this you did it, I guess, in 7th 8th standard. Yeah, and this is a basic maths which everyone has to remember lifelong. You cannot say that I didn't have maths in 11th and 12th. ये 11th 12th का maths है ही नहीं. Yeah, if I talk about integration, derivations, matrices, then you can say that I didn't have maths as a subject in my 12th standard. Okay, understood everyone with the 2D figures? Anyone, any doubts? Can I clear the screen?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now let's say if I'm talking about some figure like this. So there is a park, okay, and there is a track, across the park. So I'll just give you the dimensions of this park. So the dimension of, it's a square park, okay, and the dimension of the square park is, let's say, 10 meter. It's a small park. Done? 10 meters only. Done? And ये जो रोड बनाया है, जो ट्रैक बनाया है, उसका विड्थ दिया है आपको, let's say 2 meters. Now, if at all I ask you to calculate area of this path, How we will calculate area of this path? It will be nothing but what? Area of the bigger square minus area of the smaller square. What would be the dimensions of the bigger square? See, this much is 10, ये 2 है, यहाँ पे आगे 2 है. So ये total कितना हो जाएगा? 12 रहेगा या 14 रहेगा? 14 रहेगा, okay?
14.
So your area over here would be 14 square minus what? 10 square. What is area of, what is 14 ka square? 196. And what is 10 ka square? So area will come down to 96 what? Square or cube? Square meter. Understood this? Now in this question only, if at all I add a question, if cost of fencing 1 meter is 10 rupees, then what is the cost of fencing the complete ground? अब fencing कहाँ पे होएगा? Track ये वाले inner square पे होएगा या outer square पे होगा कि कहाँ पे होगा? Outer square पे होगा. Okay. So if I want to find out the cost of fencing, कैसे find करेंगे हम लोग?
Perimeter find करना.
Outer square. What will be perimeter of the outer square, by the way? So it will be 4 into 14, correct? Yes or no?
Yes.
14 side. 4 why? Because perimeter ले रहे. Okay, 14 14s are, sorry, 14 4s are 56. This was the perimeter. 56 क्या but? Meters. Always remember, it is a one-dimensional figure what we are talking about when you are talking about perimeter. Okay, what is cost of fencing 1 meter? 10 rupees. तो पूरा fencing करने को कितना cost लगेगा?
560.
560. Understood this? Okay, great. Now let's say if I give you some figure like this. Okay, again this is a square. And the square is cut like this from all the sides, and all of them are equilateral triangles. Okay, you have to find the area of this inner portion. I'll give you dimension of the square is 10 centimeters. Okay, and let's say dimension of this triangle what we are talking about is 1 centimeter. How you'll work with this now? You have to find out area of this middle portion which is uncut.
So from the area of square, we have to subtract the area of 4 equilateral triangles.
Perfect. So you will have area of a square. What is area of a square over here?
100 centimeters.
That is 10 square. Okay. What is the area of the equilateral triangle? What is the dimension of this equilateral? By the way, this won't be an equilateral triangle. This will be a right angle triangle because we are talking about a square. Okay. So if this is a right angle triangle, this is 90 degree. What is area of one triangle? It's a right angle triangle. Which formula we will use?
Half into base into height.
Base into height. What is base? 1. What is height?
1.
1. Put it 1. Okay. So what is area of one triangle?
Half centimeter.
Half centimeter.
Okay. So area of 4 triangles would be how much?
2
2
centimeters.
centimeters square.
So area of that uncut region is
98.
100 minus 2, which is equal to 98. Understood this? So this is how you will get the questions based on the areas. Okay. Let's solve few questions. All of you are from BBA or HM?
BBA.
IPM.
So people who are from BBA, you have fundamentals of quantitative aptitude part 2. Page number I'll give you. Page number 44. Sorry, page not 44. Just a sec. Yeah. Come to page number 44. That is practice exercise 2. Okay, for rest of the people, we are sharing the picture on the group. Just hold on for a minute. Okay, let's start with the first. Share the questions on the group. Yeah. Okay, so Raj is sharing the questions on the group. Question number 1. Let's read it. If the diagonal of a square field is 60 meters, find area of the square. What information is given over here? What is the information given over here?
Diagonal of the square is given.
Diagonal of the square is 60 meters. Now, when we are saying diagonal of a square, that means we need to have the side of the square first. कैसे find करेंगे? We have the square, correct? Area of the square के लिए formula क्या है? Side square. बराबर ना?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
तो लगेगा. क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? Pythagoras,
Pythagoras
perfect.
theorem.
You know so yes, this is 60. Let this be A, this be A. So can I say over here 2A square is equal to 60 square? Yes or no?
Yes.
2A square equal to 60 square. Okay. So can I write A square is equal to 1800? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
1800 आएगा कि नहीं आएगा?
आएगा आएगा.
Yes.
3600 आया. तो डिवाइड करो ना. A स्क्वायर का वैल्यू बताया ना मैंने. 60
Yes,
का
ma'am.
स्क्वायर कितना है? 3600. 3600 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 कितना आएगा? 1800. स्क्वायर नहीं फाइंड करना है, मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? A. बट मुझे एक बात बताओ, मैं A स्क्वायर तक रहने दूं मेरा आंसर?
हाँ.
एट द एंड मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है? एरिया ऑफ अ स्क्वायर. मतलब मुझे क्या फाइंड करना है यहाँ पे? ए स्क्वायर ही फाइंड करना है ना. सो व्हाट इज एरिया ऑफ द स्क्वायर? 1800. Okay, option D. Understood this, everyone? Next, question 2. Of a rectangular plot is 40 meter and its length is 12 meter. Calculate its area. Quickly tell me. What is area of a length into breadth? So your answer has to be what?
No.
To
No,
you.
ma'am.
Sorry, I'm so sorry. Perimeter कितना दिया है? 40 दिया हुआ है. Yes. And breadth length का value दिया है. Length is given to you as 12. What is perimeter of a rectangle, by the way?
Length into breadth.
2L plus kind of breadth over here. Yes, perimeter is 2B. So tell me, what is the breadth that you are getting? 16 divided by 2, which is 8,
8.
right? And what will be of a
96.
rectangle then? That would into 8, which is equal to 96. Okay, next question. A rectangular plot is 510 square meter in area. If its breadth is 17, find its perimeter. Length दिया है, कितना दिया है length? Sorry, breadth दिया हुआ है आपको. Breadth कितना दिया है? 17 meters. Area कितना दिया है? What will be length over here then?
Ma'am, option D.
आएगा. It will be area upon
30.
B. That will be 510 upon 17.
30, ma'am.
30?
30.
30, correct. Okay, and now if you want to calculate the perimeter, perimeter is what? 2 into 7, 2 into 30. So that will come down to 34 plus 60, which is equal to, done?
Yes, ma'am.
Understood, everyone? Can we proceed? Okay. Next, question number 4. A perimeter of a square is given to you. You have to find its diagonal. How to work with this?
मैम पहले डिवाइड बाय 4 करेंगे, साइड निकालेंगे, फिर पाइथागोरस से डायगोनल फाइंड करेंगे.
Perimeter of a square, correct? साइड मिल जाएगा ना? साइड क्या रहेगा? Divide by 4, because perimeter is 4. The side will be perimeter upon 4. If you try to divide the complete number by 4, you get 2x plus 10. ये साइड मिल गया. अब डायगोनल फाइंड करना है. कैन आई से 2 times s square. Hypotenuse square is equal to side square plus side square, which is 2 side square, correct? So if we try to further solve into 2x plus 10 the whole square, क्या रहता है 2x plus 10 the whole square? Whole square, so it will be 4x square plus 40x plus 100. What do you get? 8x square plus 80x plus 200. नहीं है. अब तक आया है कि हमारा फाइनल आंसर? हमने क्या फाइंड किया है अभी?
मैम
d
स्क्वायरिंग की जरूरत नहीं
को
थी.
क्या फाइंड करना है? क्या? क्यों?
मैम क्योंकि d का स्क्वायर रूट
अच्छा,
लिया
डायरेक्टली या ओके ओके ओके.
रूट 2 into 10 है.
यही पे हम लोग अगर टेकिंग स्क्वायर रूट ऑन बोथ द साइड्स कर लोगे, सो इट विल बी √2 into 2x. ऑप्शन इज दिस,
B.
दैट इज ऑप्शन A.
A.
Next one, question number 5. Give it a try, everyone. If possible, try it orally. Perimeter of a square, you have to find sum of the lengths of whose diagonals is 196 centimeter. By the way, square के diagonals equal length के होते हैं? Yes or no? Yes. तो दो diagonals का sum दिया है आपको 196. तो एक diagonal कितना रहेगा? Divide by 2 मतलब कितना? 98. And what you have to find out now? Perimeter. उसके लिए क्या चाहिए हमको? Side. Side find कर सकते हैं? Do it. Orally, try it orally. पेन से नहीं. 96 क्या है? Hypotenuse? Yes or no? So hypotenuse square is equal to 2 side square. तो 96 को सबसे पहले क्या करना पड़ेगा? डिवाइड बाय 2. सॉरी, 98 को डिवाइड बाय 2 किया तो कितना आएगा? 49. 49 का क्या फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा? स्क्वायर रूट 7. आर यू गेटिंग इट? इफ यू ट्राइंग इट ओरली, सो साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर इज 7 और आपको पूछा क्या है? पेरीमीटर. सो आपका आंसर क्या आएगा?
मैम 2 डायगोनल आएगा, फिर उससे साइड फाइंड करेंगे ना.
I'm so sorry. या
ऐसा
क्या ऐसा?
मतलब वो 2 डायगोनल्स का उससे
स्क्वायर है ना ये?
मैम बट साइड में दिया है ना, एक भी सिर्फ सम ऑफ डायगोनल्स दिया है ना.
हाँ.
तो ऐसा मतलब ये दोनों साइड से ये फाइंड करेंगे ना.
मतलब 2 डायगोनल्स का सम 98 मिला था आपको.
हाँ, 98 नहीं है, सम 196 है. हमको एक डायगोनल 98 मिला. सी
डिवाइड बाय
आई जस्ट क्लियर द स्क्रीन. एक सेकेंड. I'll just clear. So this is your square, okay? And what they have given to us, this diagonal plus this diagonal. ये कितना दिया हम लोगों को? 196, right? So this is
196.
given to you 1 equal to 196. So what will be one diagonal? That will be 90.
Divide 2.
Let's say अगर मैं पाइथागोरस लगाती हूँ तो ये नंबर क्या है मेरे पास 98, करेक्ट? और ये साइड्स हमको पता है ये दोनों yes or no? अब पाइथागोरस थ्योरम व्हाट डू वी गेट? 2a square is equal to
2a
what?
square.
8 का square.
B square.
Yes, 2a square. Now, so a square will be what? 98 square upon डिवाइड कर दिया, वो डिवाइड नहीं करना था इसलिए गलत हुआ. ओके, 98 का
Yes,
स्क्वायर
ma'am.
ओरली स्टार्टिंग में किया था, इफ यू रिमेंबर. 98 को तो आप 98 में से क्या माइनस करते हो? 2, बिकॉज वो 2 कम है तो क्या नंबर मिलता है आपको? 96. देन यू मल्टीप्लाई दिस नंबर बाय 100, क्या मिलता है? ये 9600. उसमें आप ये नंबर का स्क्वायर ऐड करते हो विच इज इक्वल टू व्हाट? 9604. आई होप यू रिमेंबर द शॉर्टकट मेथड्स. नहीं याद है तो जाओ पीछे वीडियोस देखो, और या तो यूट्यूब पे पुट डाउन सर्च शॉर्टकट मेथड्स टू फाइंड आउट द स्क्वायर. पूरा है, या तो आपके पास वीडियोस होंगे वो रेफर करो. सो एनी विच वेज दिस इज 9604 अपॉन 2. कितना आएगा ये? 802. ये क्या मिला हमको? ए फाइंड करना है. व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट? पेरीमीटर. दैट मींस वी नीड a. सो a इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 4 perfect square first of all. If yes, if no, how to find out? Now एक आप अप्रोक्सीमेशन से चलो. अब ये नंबर क्या है? परफेक्ट. ओके, नाउ टेल मी व्हाट इज अ स्क्वायर ऑफ 20? 400. Can you tell me what will be square of 200? 4000.
40,000.
40,000. 2 zeros है ना? वर्कआउट होएगा यहाँ से? क्या समझ में आ रहा है? कैसे फाइंड करेंगे? क्या आंसर आएगा? बाय द वे कैलकुलेशंस करेक्ट है ना?
हाँ करेक्ट है मैम.
यस. कुछ तो गड़बड़ हुआ है कैलकुलेशन में.
कैलकुलेशन बराबर है मैम.
Okay, so let's try to find it out by factorization. 4802. Do it. Okay, कुछ मिल रहा है क्या? So you'll try this number by what? 2 only. So 2401. I don't think so it's a perfect square.
Ma'am, imperfect है.
Yes, tell me. What did he say? Please pardon. Hello, Rishi, please pardon.
नहीं मैम, आपको नहीं बोला था वो.
तो किसको बोला? Okay, just check the okay, just give me a moment. I'll just check the calculation. 98 का square 64.
मैम स्क्वायर बराबर है.
कैलकुलेशन तो बराबर जा रहा है. ओके, Let me just check the solution.
Ma'am,
Yeah, what we are doing now over here, we have to, ये जो answer दिया आपका, that is given as 4a. Are you getting it? You have to find 4a. So we have to find out a. Is it possible to factorize this further?
7 से करते हैं ना मैम.
Is it possible to 7 से करते हैं? Okay. If you do it by 7, 3s आ जाएगा. You are left out with 3, 8, 3, 4, 3. 343 किसका है? 7 का क्यूब है. That means ये नंबर आपको क्या मिलेगा? कुछ ऐसा. So that a का वैल्यू क्या मिलेगा आपको? That is 49√2. Correct? This is a. So 4a to 49√2. कितना आएगा ये नंबर? I guess 196.
Yes.
That's the answer. Okay. Let's go on to the next question. I'll just clear the screen. Okay. The cost of leveling a square ground at a rate of 0.80 per 100. Now, ये जो cost दिया है, cost कितना दिया है? ₹0.80. बट कितने के लिए दिया है ये? 100 मीटर स्क्वायर के लिए ये कितना रहेगा? 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, 100 के लिए 0.80 है, तो 1 मीटर क्रॉस मल्टीप्लाई करोगे तो क्या आएगा ये नंबर? क्या आएगा ये नंबर? 0.8 100. Yes or no? We'll keep this in mind. अभी कुछ नहीं करेंगे, इसको बाद में देखते हैं. आगे क्या दिया है? The cost of leveling a square ground at the rate of 0.80 per 100 meter square is 28.80. What is this 28.80? आपने इतना पैसा दिया, ये रेट था 0.8 पर 100 मीटर स्क्वायर, ये रेट था, और आपने कितना पैसा दिया? 28.80 rupees. So can we find out what was the area over here? This is the cost for what? 1 meter square. So this is the cost for 1 meter square, correct? Is the 28.8 rupees. So can we find out what is the area by just cross multiply?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm so sorry. I was working on mobile hotspot and that was the reason I got the call and it got disconnected. Am I audible to everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yeah. So we were saying that what was the rate, by the way? 0.80 for 100 meters square. Okay.
Yes.
And we have paid 28.8 rupees. Can we find out the area over here? Just simple cross multiplication. So it will be what? 28.8.
Yes, ma'am.
So it will be 28.80 into 100 upon 0.80. Now tell me what would be the area.
Yes.
कितना आया? 36. Oh, 36 what? Meter square. This is the area that we got. Correct? What is the further question that they have asked us to do? Find the cost of fencing the same at 0.6 per meter. So क्या करेंगे यहाँ पे? 36 0.6 and that would be your answer. क्या आंसर आएगा ये?
25.6.
36 बराबर आया? 36 बराबर आया है
हाँ मैम हाँ.
के साथ? मुझे नहीं पता, आप बताइए क्या है आंसर? 216 ऑप्शन में थोड़ी ना है.
मैम पर फेंसिंग करना है तो पेरीमीटर निकालना पड़ेगा ना.
एक मिनट, क्या दिया है? द कॉस्ट ऑफ लेवलिंग द ग्राउंड दिया हुआ है एंड दे हैव आस्क्ड अस द कॉस्ट ऑफ फेंसिंग. आई एम सो सॉरी. यस, so over here we got this area. This is area of a square. So what will be side of this square? What will be the perimeter? 24 meters. Correct? So what will be the cost of fencing? That will be but 20.6. So just try to multiply the numbers. What do you get? Tell me. और ये 36 से है या 360 है?
ये नीचे का पॉइंट चला 8 हो गया.
वो 8 हो गया पूरा, राइट? 288 अपॉन 8 अगर करेंगे तो हम लोग को मिलेगा 306. 3600 आएगा ना. तो ये साइड कितना आएगा? 60 मीटर्स. करेक्ट? सो 60 मीटर्स और ये कितना आ जाएगा? सो नाउ यू हैव टू डू व्हाट? 24 into 6. कितना आएगा ये 24 into 6?
144.
आ रहा है? आया? That's the answer. Okay. Now, next. A chessboard contains 64 equal squares and area of each square is given to us. How many squares are there?
64.
How many squares are there?
64.
64 squares. Each square का area दिया है हमको. Each square का 2.56 centimeter square. And they find out length of the chessboard now. How to find out length of the chessboard? Okay, can you find out side of this?
Yes.
अच्छा
1.6.
64 स्क्वायर है. एक रो में कितने स्क्वायर आते हैं?
8 square.
8.
टोटल 64 स्क्वायर्स है. ओके, चेसबोर्ड टोटल स्क्वायर्स कितने हैं? 64.
64.
कितने स्क्वायर्स एक रो में आते हैं यार? क्या क्या रहता है चेसबोर्ड पे? क्या क्या रहता है? 2 हाथी. ओके, तुम्हारे लैंग्वेज में 2 हाथी, 2 घोड़ा, 2 कैमल को क्या बोलते हैं? आई डोंट नो. ऊंट.
एक राजा एक रानी.
8 हुआ. और वैसे भी देखो 64 स्क्वायर है. इट इज अ परफेक्ट स्क्वायर नंबर. तो साइड ऑफ द स्क्वायर वुड बी 8. मतलब देयर विल बी 8. नाउ कैन वी फाइंड आउट साइड ऑफ दिस स्मॉल स्क्वायर? इसका एरिया है ना हमारे पास 2.56. सो साइड ऑफ दिस वुड बी
Yes, ma'am.
0.56.
1.6.
व्हाट इज स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 2.2? का स्क्वायर है
1.6.
16 का स्क्वायर है. दैट मींस ईच साइड कितना रहेगा?
1.6
ईच साइड अगर 1.6 है तो लेंथ 1.6 into what?
into 8.
8. 16 8 जा
128.
16 8 जा
128.
128.
128. but answer
12.8.
12.8 रहेगा ना पॉइंट की वजह से. So that's the
Yes,
answer.
ma'am.
Okay. Now what you have 1 hour with you, not 1 hour exactly, 50 minutes with you. In this 50 minutes, I want you people to solve the questions from 8 to 30. Okay. Online people, please be true to yourself. You'll have to solve 2:30. Okay, I'll have to leave this session as of now. Offline जो बैठे प्रियंका is there. जब तक आपका solve नहीं होता आप घर पे नहीं जा सकते हो. And have to submit your assignment by 5 o'clock. ये 30 questions आपको group पे डालना है picture. If you don't put it, I'll not allow you to enter into the next session. जब भी हमारा next session रहेगा तब. Okay?
Yes.
And offline जो बैठा है प्रियंका को बता के आप जा सकते हो.
Are we going to discuss it tomorrow?
बोलो.
Ma'am.
Tomorrow, I guess it's a combined batch. Tomorrow morning is a combined batch. So we'll discuss it जब भी हमारा specific batch रहेगा, because the 3D figures. Okay? Done? Okay.
Yes.
So online people, you have to remember, you have to submit the photograph of what you have solved by 5 o'clock. Okay? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we have to submit only answers
Yes.
or the working also.
Working or that you have done it.